Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get started with Microsoft Word. It's actually a series. If you didn't see my previous video, please go back and check it out. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to type out the very same words that we did yesterday. Welcome to Microsoft, but I just want to show you how awesome you can actually repeat these words. Now, in this exercise, you can see I'm going to highlight, and then I'm going to right click on my mouse, copy that, and then I'm just going to basically paste it. And then I'm going to select the first welcome to Microsoft Word. I wanted you guys see that we can also do other things. I wanted to make it italic. I thought, let me just change the text color. I thought to myself, okay, let's show them something else. I selected once again and chose to highlight it the same way we use our normal highlighters on an actual paper. I thought, okay, let me do it italic. Let me underline it. It didn't work. Why? I forgot to select. I went again and selected, and then I underlined and went to italic. As you can see, this time it did change. But I remembered I had several assignments before that I needed to do the same things more than once. So I thought, let me just, for this one line, go back to a smaller font, text color that is black. But I wanted to guys to see something called a format painter. You select, you go to Format Painter, you go to the original, you format paint it, then voila, it's the same results. If you guys have any other things that you want me to talk about, have a video about, please comment on the video below.